Today we will learn how to make this slide in PowerPoint. At first, insert a picture. Create a rectangle over the picture and adjust it. Right-click and go to Format Shape. Select Gradient Fill and the direction Linear Left. Now make one large circle and 4 small circles. Select all the circles, go to Align and select Distribute Vertically. Now add pictures on the other slides. Copy the black gradient rectangle and paste it onto other slides. Copy the circles and paste it on the other slides. Make the second circle larger on the second slide. Third circle on third slide. Fourth circle on fourth slide. And fifth circle on the fifth slide. Now add picture on the circle serially according to the slides. And repeat the process for the remaining slides. Add text. Now select all the slides and add Morph transition. You are all done. Thanks for watching.